Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your iPad 9 has the latest iPad OS and Bluetooth is turned on. This ensures a smooth pairing. Next, remove the Apple Pencil cap and check the tip for tightness so you don't lose responsiveness. Now plug the pencil into the iPad's Lightning port. Hold steady and you'll see the pairing prompt. Tap Connect. This registers the pencil immediately. Once done, detach the pencil and you're ready to move into using and charging it. After tapping Connect, confirm the pencil shows as paired in Settings Bluetooth so you can troubleshoot if needed. For power, charge the pencil by plugging into the Lightning port. A short 15-second top-up often yields about 30 minutes of use, and full charge is quick. Now open Notes or your drawing app and test pressure sensitivity, tilt behavior, and latency by making slow strokes and then quicker scribbles. Make small adjustments to tip tightness if lines feel inconsistent, and you'll understand how it performs. Wrap up by replacing the cap and storing the pencil safely. Use a magnetic sleeve or short lightning adapter so the cap doesn't get lost. Replace the tip every few months or sooner if lines skip or feel scratchy, because wear changes tracking. If the pencil stops responding, reboot your iPad first, then unpair and repair in Bluetooth settings. Also inspect the Lightning port and cap for debris that blocks contact. One quick troubleshooting tip. Try another lightning cable or adapter to confirm the pencil is charging properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.